good time. Today I'm gonna attempt to get the car running. The car's been giving me some trouble. It's been a daily driver, but yet still a project car. So I ran into a situation where the car would crank and it wouldn't cut off. So I'm getting ready to see what I gotta do to get it going or whatever. I can find the key here. Try to locate the key. See, we got some dash lights on the board, so that's a good sign. Alright, got dash lights up there. So I can just get the right key out. Alright, they're all tangled up here. Alright, finally got the right one here. Alright. And like I say, see if it crank. Alright, she crank right up. So, alright. Guys, I bought this car real cheap. I bought this car right around $600 bucks.
You gonna eat inside?
Yeah, we can eat on the inside. And yeah, I bought this car about $600 bucks and made it into a project car and fixed on it till it was enough where I can drive it every day. Huh?
Pancake house.
Yeah, pancake house. Okay. Matter of fact, we're gonna go get some breakfast and then we're gonna go get some parts for the car. So we'll go do that first. But like I say, guys, I got this car real cheap, about $600, and I wanted a project car for the channel, and also a daily driver because one of my other vehicles got towed up, so the project car ended up being the daily driver too. So I didn't particularly want to have the car on the channel all the time, my personal car. It was just supposed to be a car for vlogging, but one of my other vehicles got towed up, so I ended up just making this YouTube official YouTube car, and you know, end up making them a daily driver. So but right now we're on the way to the pancake house, and we're gonna go have us some breakfast real quick, and we're gonna tap back in when we get there. I just wanted you guys to see that. I was passing by. I want you all to see that car right there. And I'm on the car access right there. Video is about this car. It's a 1995 XR7 Mercury Cougar special edition car back in '95. I know a lot of you guys in the comment section said that you had this car for a first car, and it's a really great car. Still runs good, drives smooth. We're riding on 20-inch Mazzies, and we riding even smooth. Had some suspension work done to the car. I changed the upper and lower control arms. The car is 30 years old, so it was time for all that kind of stuff to be changed and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much what's going on. And if you like the video so far, you this far in the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stuff, you know what I'm saying, and support the channel and try to bring you all more content on the car, because it's getting to be rare and rare, and pretty soon the car's gonna be worth a lot. It's a classic. And here we are pulling up at the Pancake House, and we're gonna go on in and have us some breakfast, and then we go get our parts for the car. And maybe in another video we attempt to
Alrighty, my friend. Just want to confirm, this is what you're looking for, correct? The switch?
oh, no, I'm
You're looking
just
for the
digging
cylinder for the key?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Alright.
I'll go with the other, let me rephrase what I quoted in here then.
Okay.
Initial.
I think it's $23. I think I called yesterday.
Ignition lock cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. That looks
That's
a lot
it.
more up your alley. Okay, I know where that is at. I will grab that one beautiful second.
Okay.
Yes, sir. What's a good phone number for you, sir?
704-747-9979.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
2567 is your total, my friend.
Okay.
You can go ahead and swipe your card. Would you like a bag today?
I don't want to need that.
Okay, yes, sir.
So I did not, but on the top one, because the bottom one, I think one of the twist things is broken, they do actually screw into the side post as well.
Oh,
I was just hoping I could find them. When I see them back there, I have to look for them again.
Yeah, I was checking all the batteries on the ground and see if someone left them in there or whatever.
I actually need to cycle through those batteries because
My friend?
I appreciate it, man.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
so long.
All right. So, guys, we got the part, and yeah, man. We got the part today, and so we'll be heading to put it on, but we'll be doing this in the next video, so stay tuned for the next video, man. And we'll get this ignition switch changed because I have to get ready to go to work today, so I'll make sure that y'all tap back in with me for the installation replacement of this ignition switch that we just got. So that's all for today, man. We out. We out, baby. We out. We got the ignition switch. We good. Thank you for tuning in. Till the next time. So the next video we'll be doing the installation on the switch. Thank you for supporting me. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, this will be doing the installation on this switch on the next video for the XR7 1995 Mercury Cougar 4.6 liter V6, a very rare car that's just getting really rare and rare and so forth. So y'all stay tuned, like I say, man, and thank you. Peace.